Hey y'all, it's David, and I'm here in Pittsburgh, and I had a day off. Well, we all had a day off. So I have some interesting stuff to share, because I said I'd let you guys know when some interesting stuff would happen. And I at least think it's interesting, so here I go. And I started the day off with some songwriting, and came up with like a verse and chorus. I feel pretty good about it, feel productive, even though it's not a whole song, it's something. I had a guitar to work on it with, and so I was trying to figure out the chords and stuff, and while I was working on the guitar, I have a knock on the door, and it's Jason, and he's going to work out. So he invited me to go, and we went running, and while we were running, we went down by a river, and I think it was called the Monongahela River or something like that. Had a long name. But did some stairs and had a good workout. And I was sweated like a pig, but oh well, it felt good. And on our way back, we passed this kayak place. So we're like, hey, we should go kayaking. So we go back to the hotel and get changed and then come back to kayak in the river. And it was fun. I mean, we were both really bummed though because we didn't have our video cameras. We thought it'd be kind of cool to, videotape the whole experience, but we tried taking pictures instead on our phones, and so we're just kind of trying to, capture the moments, but it was kind of lame, my pictures. Well, I got ducks and geese and bridges, because there are like a ton of bridges here, and Jason got some pictures. I thought it'd be kind of cool to post pictures up, but I don't think it's worth it. Who knows, people really want to see them maybe, but they're not really interesting at all. I tried though, so. After that, did that for an hour, got a good workout in my arms and shoulders. Some kind of sore, but it feels really good. So, got cleaned up again after that, and then we went to eat dinner, and Brooke came with us, and we just walked around downtown looking for a place, and we found this place by the baseball field where the Pirates play, and they were actually having a game there. And Michael Johns and Chrissy and Carly went, but we decided to eat dinner instead and ate at this place called Atria's. So it was good. And after that, we all just hung out at the hotel and messed around with some song ideas and had fun. It was a good day here in Pittsburgh. But anyway, yeah, it's 2:30, so I should probably go to bed because I'm feeling a little tired here, and I have a show tomorrow too. So I'll probably post this blog tomorrow morning. Well, I'll probably upload it now, so it'll get there by tomorrow morning, knowing me and my issues. But yeah, probably have some dreams here now because I'm tired. Need to go to bed, if you can tell already. Anyway, alright, well, have a good night or good day whenever you watch this, and take care until then. I'll try and update you some more here. See ya.